Can you see the screen? Hello? And voice is also clear? Okay, then today we have to start essay 1's paper solution. Chapter number 1 to 9 we have include in that essay. And today we have to see its paper solution. If you have doubt any, then see first question here. HCF it was asked 26 and 91. Which one will come? Yes. Uh, Actually, shortcut method. If I teach you, then what you have to do here? This table you have to speak. Option A, option B means all table you have to speak, and which number comes in table of given option, that is your answer. For example, if you see 15, okay, then 15 twos are 30, then 26 will not come in table of 15, so this is not the answer. This is our answer, but I will discuss about it later. Now see C option 19. Okay, 19 twos are 38. So 26 will not come, as well as 11 twos are 22, threes are 33, 4 are 44. So 26 will not come in any table. So now see, if three of they are not the answer, then obviously 13 is the answer. But then also if you want to check, then 13 twos are 26 and 13 sevens are 91. Okay, so this kind of you can solve. Otherwise, see this you people are doing 26 is equal to 13 twos are, as well as 91 is equal to 13 sevens, and 13 is your answer. This is the traditional method, but just from seeing also you can say which one is your answer. It is not required to do this all kind of things. Now second, which of the following is not irrational? Which is not irrational? Hello? Huh? Third one. Why? Because if you expand this, see here root 7 is there. Okay, so one not I said you that rational plus irrational. See here, rational plus irrational is equal to irrational, as well as rational minus irrational is equal to irrational. This is already irrational means rational multiply irrational is equal to irrational. If you haven't written this thing, then you can write down in your book, because this is really very much important thing. And now if you expand this, okay, because here also one irrational, here also one irrational, if you will expand this, so what you will get, 3 threes are 9 minus 3 root 7 plus 3 root 7 and 7 7 root 7 plus minus minus, so minus 7. So these both will be cut, plus and minus, so 9 minus 7, so directly 2 will come. That is rational number. Okay, so this is not irrational, okay, because that is rational. Third one, degree is asked of this polynomial. Actually it is not x4. Now you are habituated with this kind of problem, because in Google form, as you know, I cannot write in terms of power. So question is actually x raised to 4 minus x square plus 2. Okay, I hope you all students at that time understood, and really you understood, because you are almost all students. This answer is correct. So power means degree of polynomial. Which one? Hello, are you there? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, then you should respond because if you will not respond, then I will feel that connection is broken or something like that. Now say degree of polynomial here, that is 4, because maximum power is a degree. This is actually really childish question of ninth grade. But some question I have put easy also, because in any question paper some question can be hard and some are generally easy. Now zeros of given polynomial. Here zeros. Who is this Vidya Patel? Anybody? Hello, who is this Vidya Patel? Patel Nakul? Hello? Hello? Reply me, otherwise I will remove you. Hello, Ayaz, can you listen my voice? Raghu, Ayaz? Okay. Hello, Vidya Patel, who are you? Okay, I'm going to remove you. Okay, let's back. This is actually, as you know, it is not x2. Okay, because x2 type of thing cannot be in mathematics. 2x can be there. Okay, but x2 cannot be there. So this is x square minus 27. Okay, then what can be there? X square is equal to 27, means 9 threes are, x is equal to square root, because now if you want to take square root, then opposite side. Okay, here if you want to remove square, then opposite side you have to take square root. So square root of 9 into square root of 3, and square root of 9, as you all know, that is 3 and root 3, but plus or minus both probability we have to check. So that is 3 root 3. So option B is the answer. Next is pair of linear equation is consistent, then lines are, which kind of line can be there? Okay, consistent, intersecting, always coincident, intersecting or coincident. So this property right now I don't have that PDF file. That is not open actually. But this property at that time we have seen very well in deep. These things we have learned. So now this is the property, so I cannot explain you how this come. Okay, this we have to accept. So this is the answer, that you have to accept that if that is pair of linear equation are consistent. So for consistivity, two types of can things can be there: intersecting or coincident. Now question number 6, pairs of equation first and second two are given. So which kind of solution is there, that we have to reply? Which kind of solution is there? So a1 by a2 we have to check, b1 by b2 we have to check, c1 by c2. a1 by a2, 9 by 18, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, and 12 by 26, so that is 6 by 13. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Which kind of line this is, and which kind of solution you will get? Which line is this? If you know, then you should reply. Because again and again I cannot come on meeting screen. Time will waste. If you will respond, then easily and fast we can complete this all things. Tell me, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Which kind of lines are these? This is actually okay parallel line, and parallel line has unique solution. No solution. Okay, parallel lines don't have solution. So here, this is the answer. Okay, 6 is the answer. Now I have to make some slide. 1 minute. Now see here, seventh question. Sum of two number 27 and product is 182. These numbers we have to find. Just equations I will make. Because you people got so good marks, so I hope you have solved this all question. Then only you have got these marks. Now see, product 182 and sum 27. So x plus y 27 and xy 182. This is the main thing. Now from the equation easily you can get the answer. So can you tell me the solution of x and y, because I'm not going to solve here. If anybody remember, then otherwise I will solve it. Anybody remember? Okay, one more thing I want to say you, that if this kind of solution you don't want to make, means equation you don't want to make, then anybody have idea what we can do here? Ayaz, Raghu, yes, what we can do here? Yes, trial and error option actually here we should apply this kind of equations we don't have to make and don't have to solve, because if you will solve this first equations you will make you if you will solve this, so this question will become 2 to 3 mark question. Okay, so it's not required. Sum is 27, so all options we have to check. Sum 12 plus 13, this is just 25, not the answer. This can be answer, as well as this can be answer, and this cannot be answer. Okay, these both options have sum which is 27. Now we have to check second condition. Product should be 182. Then 15 12s are 180. Okay, actually, if you will multiply, because 15 12 is what? 10 plus 2, okay, into 15. So 15 tens are 150, 15 twos are 30. So 15, 150, 30, 180. So this is again cannot be answer. So obviously 13 comma 14 is our answer. 182. Option B is the answer. Okay. Now, eighth question. 1 by 2 is root of quadratic equations. This is x square minus mx minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Then value of m you have to check. So 1 by 2 is the root. Then instead of x we have to put 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 uh, into m. Okay, then m by 2 we can write now m by 2 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. And now easily you can simplify these things. Anybody remember? Otherwise, anybody have simplify right now the value of m. 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 by 4 minus 1. So this is minus 1 minus m by 2 is equal to 0. 2 ones are minus 2. M is equal to minus 2. Option B is the answer. M is equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Anybody have doubt, then you can ask me. You don't have to just behave like spectators. If you know, then you should reply. If you don't understood, then you should ask. Is it clear up to eighth question? And now, why today's strength is so less? Now here, arithmetic progression. A is given, D is given, N is given. Directly you have to apply. Here I cannot write. 1 minute. Now, which formula here we should apply? A, D, N, all things are given. A, N we have to find. Nth term formula N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. All data are given. So if you put this value 28 plus 7 minus 1 6 into D is minus 4. 28 minus 24 4. A is the answer. 10th question A, D both are given. Then first four terms we have to find. The shortest method for this kind of question is Ayaz, Raghu, Deep, Vasu. Anybody reply? Shortest method for this question. Hello? Yes. First of all, A is 10. Okay, A is 10. So here you have to check in which option first term is 10. So in all option, first term is 10. Then difference you have to check. Difference is 10. So here see difference is not 10. Difference is 20. This is not the answer. Here difference is 10. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is the answer. And as well as this both are not the answer because here difference is 5 as well as here difference is 8. Okay, so this is the thing. So up to 10th question we have complete. One or two more questions still we can continue. Okay. Equilateral triangles area, this is the formula. Okay, so this is not the solution. Root 3 by 4 into a square, option C will come. Okay, option C will come. Okay, here you can see this is the correct answer. Okay, now next is 12th question. D and E are midpoints of side AB and AC of triangle ABC. Now somebody is trying to enter. Okay. D and E are midpoint of triangle AB and ABC. BC 6. DE parallel BC. So actually figure I should draw. Hmm, this is so easy question, but these all things can make you disturb. Now here as you can see, this is the triangle. Okay, A, B, and C. AB and AC. These are the side, and D and E are respectively midpoints. Okay, then this is D and this is E. BC 6. DE parallel BC. DE is parallel BC. Here you can see. Okay, length of D, that is obviously 3 will come, but figure should be formed in your mind. That is the thing. આ પ્રોપર્ટી ખબર છે ને બધાને? If this is the midpoint, then this ratio is 1:1. Okay, because this is the midpoint, so this will become half. Okay, midpoint's line segment will become half of the base. So answer is 3. Do you know this property or no? Don't know? Next is midpoints of line segments. 2 points. Okay, midpoint here we have to find. So which formula here we should apply for midpoint? Hmm? Midpoint formula. Which formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. 0 comma 0 is your answer. And now, next question. 14th question. Value of tan 60 and cot 30. Here values from the table you have to put and you have to simplify. So answer will come. Which was the answer? Right now I don't remember. Do you remember? See here. Okay, B is the answer. Tan 60. Okay. Tan 60 means root 3 and 1 upon cot 30. So that is again root 3 and it's reciprocal. So root 3 by root 3 that will cut. So answer is 1 here. Okay, so B is the answer. It is not required to solve. And the last question for 1 mark and for today. If length of shadow tree is decreasing, then angle of elevation is, this is the logic. Which answer should be here? Length of shadow of tree is decreasing. Yes, obviously. તમે જુઓ કે તમે ઊભા હો બરાબર, ઇટ ઇઝ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મોર્નિંગ ટાઈમ ઓર ઓકે ઇવનિંગ ટાઈમ, ઇફ ધેટ ઇઝ રાઇઝિંગ સન, બરાબર, તો તમારો બહુ મોટો શેડો પડતો હોય on the land. Okay, but as well as sun will come on your head, okay, towards your head. તો પછી તમે જો તમારો જે શેડો હોય તે ઘટતો જશે. સન હતો તે નીચેથી ઉપર આવે ને, ઓકે, સો એંગલ ઓફ elevation is increasing, and now my battery is also going to die, and my okay, our time is also actually over. So up to here first question we have done, and tomorrow from the second question we'll tomorrow try to complete this paper solution things. Okay, then thank you, and tomorrow come on time, because lecture will start on 9. And 1 minute. uh, Today who are present in Google Classroom, comment you people, okay, with your names. And now you people may leave. Thank you.